Mastering everyday English. Understanding for a damn fact. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and somewhat informal phrase, for a damn fact. This phrase is commonly used in conversational English, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your fluency. Let's get started. The phrase, for a damn fact, is used to emphasize the certainty or truthfulness of a statement. It's a way to express that what you're saying is absolutely true and beyond doubt. The word, damn, here is an intensifier, adding extra strength to the word, fact. However, be cautious, as damn can be considered mildly offensive or very informal in certain contexts. Let's see how, for a damn fact, is used in sentences. 1. I know for a damn fact that she was at the party last night. This sentence implies the speaker is 100% sure about the person being at the party. 2. He claims he's innocent, but I know for a damn fact he's lying. Here, the speaker is emphasizing their certainty about the person's dishonesty. Appropriate contexts. This phrase is best used in informal settings among friends or in casual conversations. It's not suitable for formal or professional environments. Tone and delivery. Since it involves a mild swear word, ensure your tone matches the casual, emphatic nature of the phrase. However, be mindful of the audience and setting. While, for a damn fact, is a colorful addition to conversational English, remember that it includes a mild expletive. It's important to understand the cultural and situational appropriateness of such phrases. In more formal or sensitive situations, it's better to use phrases like, I know for a fact, or, I am certain that. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, for a damn fact. We hope you now feel more confident using this expression in appropriate contexts. Remember, mastering nuances like these can really make your English sound more natural. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.